All right. Braylon wants to try the mango kombucha, so we're going to try to open this without it exploding all over them.
Welcome to the review board! Sit right down and just enjoy. Jake, Joe, Edie, Puff, and the boys are on the review board. Welcome to the review board!
Okay, I'm nervous. Oh, man.
My new bar.
Oh, shoot. Dang it. Give me your cup. Dang it. I gotta work on this. Son of a
Ew,
biscuit.
it looked like someone threw up.
Oh, man. Ah, gosh, I gotta get it less carbonated. Oh, my goodness.
You did it.
This is why we don't open these in the house. Taste it. How's it taste? Is it good? You're like, yeah, if we didn't just waste it all. God.